I got something to tell y'all. I got some stuff to help me change everything about me because look. No. So I got sent this really pretty, awesome box by the Fit Fine Flawless, and in the box was a lot of stuff. This box is not for sale. It's not on her website, so it was just sent for me. The box, beep, boop, is just for me. It's special for me because I'm special. Let me and Bob show you what's in the fucking box. Right here we have your Thicker Than a Snicker Growth Cream by the Fit Fine Flawless. All of these products are all natural, organic, healthy. You can find it in the fucking forest, bitch. Thicker Than a Snicker Growth Cream goes on your ass, on your booty cheeks. Lash Me Baby Lash Growth Serum. This is also all natural ingredients. Let me try and get the flash be fucking it up. You're not even gonna need to go have a lash technician. You don't need to go buy falsies at Rite Aid or Dwayne and Reed or the 99-cent store, bitch. You're gonna be sweeping the floor with these bitches, alright? Gonna be sweeping. What? Excuse me, what? What? Okay. After both of these, we have the Baby Got Back soap. This is also for your ass. You, at night when you know, take a shower and you washing back there, wash with this too. Scrub yourself. Next, we have the Get Snatched Detox Tea. This tea tastes so freaking good. You don't even need any honey, no sugar, none of that. Straight up just tea and the water. And last but not least, we have the Get Thick All Natural Curve Enhancement Pills. Pink wig, thick lash, give a whiplash. I think big, get cash, nigga, big fast. Now look at what you just saw. This is what you live for. Ah! So, in conclusion, Bob says, get your products if you want to be the baddest bitch, okay? Are you dumb?